Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics with Rakshit. In the present video, in brief, I will explain classification of mathematics in ancient era as well as in modern era. So in ancient era, ancient Greek people classified mathematics into two classes, that is discrete and continuous class. Discrete and continuous class are further classified into two subclasses. For example, discrete class is classified into absolute and relative class, where absolute class study arithmetic in which number are studied, while relative class study music in which harmony and rhythm like property of music are studied, while in continuous mathematics static subclass study various geometrical objects in geometry theory, and in moving subclass various celestial and extraterrestrial astronomical objects are studied in ancient Greek era. So this is how ancient Greek people could classify mathematics into two classes. Nowadays, mathematics is classified into five classes, that is algebra, geometry, analysis, applied mathematics and foundation. I will explain each class and each theory of each class in brief here. So let us start. In algebra, first theory is abstract algebra, in which various algebraic objects such as groups, rings, fields, algebraic modules and vector space are studied. These objects are very important in mathematics as well as physics. Physical significance of these objects gives many fundamental laws and many important universal laws in physics. Next branch is combinatorics, in which mathematical operations like permutation, combinatorials are studied. Next branch is number theory, in which various numbers are studied. For example, integer number, natural number, real number, complex number, octarian, quaternarian, septuagintarian, etc. Second class is geometry. Geometry is very important in studying various branches of physics. For example, if you want to understand quantum field theory, you have to understand concept and structure of Euclidean geometry. And if you want to understand general theory of relativity and quantum theory, quantum gravity theories which were originated from general theory of relativity, you have to study non-Euclidean geometry or Riemannian geometry or curved geometry. Next branch is projective geometry, in which mathematical properties which are remain unchanged during projective transformation are studied. It also studies various mathematical objects or terms like affine metric in projective geometry. Next branch is geometry, discrete geometry, which involves study of discreteness. Next branch is differential geometry, which is very useful in studying general theory of relativity, special theory of relativity and quantum theory of gravity. It is also useful in quantum field theory. Next branch is algebraic geometry. In algebraic geometry, various algebraic tools are used to solve various geometrical problems. Third category is analysis, and first theory is calculus. As we all know, calculus was independently found by Newton as well as Leibniz. We know the importance of calculus. Integration and differentiation kind of operations are studied in calculus. Without study of calculus, nobody can understand modern physics. Next branch is real and complex analysis. Such kind of analysis involves real and complex number. Using these branches, that is real and complex analysis, one can study modern current frontier of physics such as quantum field theory, quantum chromodynamics, quantum fluorodynamics, Feynman's quantum field theories, quantum gravity theories, various branches of quantum gravities, etc. Another branch is differential equation. Without the consideration of differential equation, nobody can study any branch of physics, as every branch of physics involves different kind of differential equations. Next theory is functional analysis, which involves study of functional, which is function of function or calculus of variation. Fourth class is applied mathematics, and first theory is probability theory and second one is statistics. Both theory are useful in studying economics as well as various branches of physics. Without the imagination of probability, one cannot understand quantum mechanics. Various operations like mean, median, mode are studied in probability and statistics. Next one is game theory, which involves various operations regarding systems or games, in which strategic interaction affect decision makers decision. It means whenever one person decides something, it will affect another person's decision making. In system and control theory, various systems are studied in engineering as well as mathematics, and in this branch, engineers and mathematicians studies how one can manipulate inputs of systems. Last branch of applied mathematics is computer science. In computer science, combination of all these branches involved. It means by combining geometry, algebra, analysis, foundation, we can have complete computer science. Nowadays, quantum computing, quantum information theories are progressing by leaps and bounds because of computer science, and it involves almost all branch of mathematics. Last branch is foundation. As name suggests, it is the foundation of mathematics as well as physics. Logic and set theory, which studies mathematical logic and different operations like conjunction, negation, disjunction, and set theory, which are useful and which is the base of mathematics as well as physics. If you want to study analog and digital electronics, you have to consider logic and set theory. As I told, computability is similar to computer science. Study of computability is involved in computer science also. In recursion theory, logic, mathematical logic, set principles and various mathematical operations are involved. Last branch is category theory, in which various mathematical structures which are correlated are studied. So in the present video, I explained how in ancient Greek era mathematics was classified and how nowadays mathematics is classified into different classes. In my future videos, I will explain each theory of each class whenever it is required. In the present video, I have just introduced each theory and each class and how one can understand classification of mathematics. Thanks for listening and watching. If you have any question regarding classification of mathematics and regarding any theory of any class, you can ask in the comment section. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.